How's it going, guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. We are back after 2 months it's been. Yeah, my editing software broke, so I couldn't edit any videos, but we're back now, and in this video I drove my first car. So I drove a Nissan Skyline R34 and a Toyota GT86. So you're about to see just some footage of me driving the GT86, and then I'll switch to a quick montage that I've made of me driving the Skyline. So hope you enjoy.
Yo, I ain't here for